Hello and welcome to TNV Academy, your go-to platform for ISO standards, auditor training, and practical knowledge for professionals. In this session, we are covering a unique and forward-looking topic, Lead Auditor Training Program on ISO 26000, Social Responsibility. If you are a professional passionate about ethics, sustainability, and responsible business practices, this program is for you. What is ISO 26000? ISO 26000 is not a certifiable standard, but a guidance document on social responsibility. It helps organizations act ethically and transparently in ways that contribute to the health and welfare of society. It covers 7 core principles: organizational governance, human rights, labor practices, environment, fair operating practices, consumer issues, community involvement, and development. ISO 26000 is about integrating CSR, corporate social responsibility, into strategy, culture, and operations. Why lead auditor training for ISO 26000? Even though ISO 26000 is not for certification, organizations increasingly audit themselves and their supply chains against its guidelines. The Lead Auditor Training Program empowers you to assess alignment with ISO 26000, lead social responsibility audits, evaluate ethical risk and sustainability performance, promote responsible business conduct internally and with partners. This training builds your credibility as a CSR or ESG auditor or consultant. Course content. The program typically includes Introduction to ISO 26000 Framework, Stakeholder Engagement and Ethical Decision Making, Risk and Impact Assessment on Social Issues, Developing Audit Checklist based on social themes, Audit Process, Team Leadership and Reporting, Case Studies from Real-World CSR Audits, Final Exam and Certificate of Completion. Though not a certifiable standard, training institutes offer lead auditor style certificates based on internal and second-party audits. Skills you will gain. You will learn how to conduct social impact assessments, evaluate supply chain responsibility, identify human rights and labor risk, communicate findings to leadership and stakeholders, lead effective ethical and transparent audit teams. Who should attend? This course is ideal for CSR and ESG professionals, auditors and consultants, sustainability officers, NGO and compliance leaders, corporate strategy and HR managers, anyone passionate about ethical and sustainable practices. Certification and career value. Upon completion, you receive a lead auditor style certificate from a recognized training body. This proves your ability to audit and assess CSR programs, lead ESG projects and ethical governance audits, support organizations in aligning with sustainability standards. This training strengthens your profile in corporate governance, ethical sourcing, and global sustainability roles. Get in touch with us at TNV Academy. We offer personal guidance, ISO course recommendations, and even custom training sessions for individuals and organizations. For any queries, course enrollment, or career guidance, feel free to reach out to us on phone or WhatsApp 6387828594 and follow us on @TNV Academy. So friends, if you are ready to go beyond compliance and lead the way in social responsibility, the ISO 26000 Lead Auditor Style Training is your next career move. For guidance on training providers or free CSR audit tools, just comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TNV Academy, where we make ISO and audits simple, purposeful and powerful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video of TNV Academy.